Hello guys, it feels awesome to have you here. I'm Richard Sanaji and it feels good to have you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove any text from a picture using Photoshop. Pretty easy, right? So by the time you're done watching this video, you'll be able to remove this text to an image looking like this. Amazing, right? Yeah, but before we go into doing that, I want you to use the superpower right now to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and take action. Amazing, right? So now that I've done that, let's go remove some text. Okay guys, so here we are. So this is the image that we are about to use, right? So this be happy, we are going to remove the be happy from this photo, right? So it's pretty easy. So what we are going to do is that we are going to open our Photoshop and let's open this image here. So click on open. So here is here is be happy by happy, right? So here we are going to remove this. So to do that, it's pretty easy. Just click on lasso tool and select the part you want to erase, right? Then click on edit, then fill, then content aware. Click on, make sure it's on content aware. So click on content aware, then okay, and allow Photoshop to do the magic, right? And so just watch what is going to happen. Boom, the B is gone. So here you can right click and deselect. So let's do for the happy. Click on lasso and then we will select this section. So one thing you should know is that the more precise your selection is, the better it will look. So because here you go to edit, click on fill and content aware, and happy is gone. So let's watch as it comes, as it renders. So here is rendering. So you see now it has filled the happy with the background, right? So guys, so that's how to remove text from any image. It's pretty easy. So you see why I told you that you should painstakingly do yours, right? Because you see the B here, see one of this alphabet, it's not sticking out. So you are going to take time to just do yours. So guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, why are you waiting for? Use the superpower, right? And don't forget to like and comment. And if you're having any difficulties doing this, you can just drop a comment in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you. Right, till next time, I'm Riches and always remain happy, be happy. Cheers. Bye.